Hello and welcome to Consumer Tech. If you're looking for the perfect camera to take your YouTube videos to the next level, you're in the right place. Today we're counting down the 5 best cameras for YouTube in 2025. Whether you're vlogging, streaming, or creating high-quality content, we've got you covered. Stick around to find the best fit for you. And don't forget to check the link in the description for more details. Now, let's dive in. Number 5. Sony ZV-1. The Sony ZV-1 is a compact digital camera designed specifically for content creators and vloggers, offering a blend of advanced imaging capabilities and user-friendly features. At its core, the ZV-1 houses a 20.1 megapixel 1.0 Type Exmor RS CMOS sensor, which delivers high-quality images with impressive detail and clarity. This sensor is paired with a Bionz X image processor, ensuring fast performance and excellent low-light capabilities. One of its standout features is the Zeiss Variosonar T lens, providing a 24 to 70 mm equivalent focal length with a bright f1.8-2.8 aperture, perfect for everything from wide-angle landscapes to close-up portraits. The fully articulating 3.0 touchscreen LCD flips out to the side, making self-recording effortless. A directional 3-capsule microphone captures clear audio, and a dedicated windscreen reduces outdoor noise. The camera supports UHD 4K recording at 30 FPS and Full HD at 120 FPS, with advanced autofocus features like real-time IAF and real-time tracking ensuring sharp focus even in motion. Designed with content creators in mind, the ZV-1 includes features like the product showcase setting, which quickly shifts focus between your face and an object, and the background defocus function for instant bokeh effects. Weighing just 294 grams and measuring 105 x 60 x 44 millimeters, it's lightweight and portable. The camera offers Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, micro HDMI, and a 3.5mm microphone jack for versatile connectivity. With USB charging support, it ensures extended shooting sessions. As of now, the Sony ZV-1 is available at an attractive price of $648, down from its original price of $748, making it a great investment for those looking to enhance their content creation. Its combination of high-quality imaging, intuitive features, and a compact design makes it a top choice for vloggers and influencers. Number 4. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a compact yet powerful handheld camera that redefines portable videography. Weighing just 179 grams and measuring 139.7 Cheng 2, 42.2 Cheng 2, 33.5 millimeters, it fits comfortably in your hand, making it an ideal companion for creators on the move. Its sleek design houses a robust 1-inch CMOS sensor, a significant upgrade from its predecessors, ensuring superior image quality and enhanced low-light performance. This large sensor captures intricate details with remarkable clarity, delivering stunning 4K footage at up to 120 frames per second. Whether you're filming fast-paced action or serene landscapes, the Osmo Pocket 3 ensures every moment is recorded in dynamic, buttery smooth detail. One of its standout features is the 3-axis mechanical gimbal stabilization, which keeps footage steady even during movement. Whether you're walking, running, or navigating through a bustling environment, the gimbal compensates for unwanted shakes and jitters, providing professional-grade stabilization in a pocket-sized device. This feature is particularly beneficial for vloggers and content creators who require mobility without compromising on video quality. The device boasts a 2-inch rotatable touchscreen with a resolution of 314 Cheng 2, 556, and a brightness of 700 nits. This intuitive display allows for easy framing and control, enabling users to switch effortlessly between horizontal and vertical shooting modes. Additionally, the Osmo Pocket 3 supports full-pixel fast focusing, ensuring that subjects are captured with precision and clarity, even in dynamic environments. For audio, it features 3 built-in microphones that capture stereophonic sound while reducing ambient noise, delivering clear and crisp audio. Storage is also generous, supporting microSD cards up to 512 gigabytes, allowing users to capture extended footage without worry. The Osmo Pocket 3 is available in 2 bundles: the standard package priced at $519, which includes essential accessories, and the creator combo at $669, which offers additional tools like a DJI Mic 2 transmitter, battery handle, mini tripod, and carry bag. With its blend of portability and high-end features, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a versatile tool for creators looking to capture professional quality content on the go. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix S5 II. The Panasonic Lumix S5 II is a remarkable addition to the full-frame mirrorless camera market, offering a blend of advanced features and performance that caters to both photographers and videographers. At its core, the S5 II houses a 24.2 megapixel 35mm full-frame CMOS sensor, delivering high-resolution images with natural color reproduction. This sensor is complemented by an advanced image processing engine, enhancing overall performance and image quality. One of the standout features of the S5 II is its phase hybrid autofocus system, a first for Lumix cameras. This system boasts 779 autofocus points, providing fast and accurate focusing capabilities. Whether capturing fast-moving subjects or shooting in challenging lighting conditions, the autofocus system ensures sharp and precise images. For videographers, the S5 II offers impressive capabilities, including unlimited 2 to 10-bit video recording. This allows for rich color depth and flexibility in post-production, making it suitable for professional video projects. Additionally, the camera supports 6K 30p 2 to 10-bit video recording, providing high-resolution options for various shooting scenarios. Stability during shooting is enhanced by the 5-axis sensor shift image stabilization system. This feature compensates for camera shake, allowing for sharper images and smoother video footage, even when shooting handheld or in dynamic environments. The S5 II's design includes a 3.0-inch 1.84 m free-angle touchscreen, facilitating easy composition from various angles. The camera's compact and lightweight build ensures portability without compromising on durability, making it a reliable companion for photographers on the go. In terms of connectivity, the S5 II is equipped with dual UHS 2 SD card slots, providing ample storage and flexibility. Wireless connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enable seamless sharing and remote control functionalities, enhancing the overall user experience. As of February 2025, the Panasonic Lumix S5 II is available in the market with prices varying by retailer. Prices may differ based on the retailer and any ongoing promotions. In summary, the Panasonic Lumix S5 II stands out as a versatile and powerful tool for both photography and videography. Its combination of advanced autofocus, robust video capabilities, effective image stabilization, and user-friendly design makes it a compelling choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 2. Canon EOS R6. The Canon EOS R6 is a remarkable full-frame mirrorless camera designed for both photography and videography enthusiasts. It features a 20.1 megapixel CMOS sensor paired with a powerful Digic X image processor, delivering stunning image quality with excellent dynamic range. With a blazing fast, continuous shooting speed of up to 12 frames per second using the mechanical shutter and 20 FPS with the silent electronic shutter, it is ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects like sports and wildlife. The EOS R6 also excels in video performance, offering 4K recording at up to 60 FPS and Full HD at 120 FPS for smooth slow-motion footage. Its low-light capabilities are exceptional, with an ISO range of 100 to 102,400, expandable up to 204,800, ensuring outstanding image quality even in challenging conditions. The 5-axis in-body image stabilization provides up to 8 stops of shake correction, making handheld shooting more reliable and steady. Autofocus performance is another highlight, with dual-pixel CMOS AF2 technology featuring 1,053 autofocus points that cover almost the entire frame. It offers precise tracking for eyes, faces, and even animals, making it a great choice for portrait and wildlife photography. The camera is equipped with a 3.69 million OLED electronic viewfinder with a 120 Hz refresh rate and a fully articulating touchscreen LCD for flexible shooting angles. Dual UHS 2 SD card slots ensure ample storage and quick data management. The EOS R6 is priced at approximately $2,499 for the body-only version, while kit options with RF 24 to 105mm lenses range from $2,899 to $3,500. With its robust build, advanced features, and excellent performance in both photography and videography, the Canon EOS R6 remains a top choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Number 1. Sony Alpha 7S III. The Sony Alpha 7S III is a groundbreaking full-frame mirrorless camera that redefines the standards of video and low-light photography. At its core lies a 12.1 megapixel back-illuminated Exmor-R CMOS sensor, paired with the advanced Bionz XR image processor. This combination ensures exceptional image clarity, reduced noise, and an impressive dynamic range. The camera's sensitivity ranges from ISO 80 to 102,400, expandable to an astonishing ISO 40 to 409,600, making it a formidable tool for low-light scenarios. Videographers will appreciate the Alpha 7S III's capabilities, including UHD 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second with 10-bit 2:2 internal sampling. For those seeking higher color fidelity and post-production flexibility, the camera offers 16-bit RAW output via its full-size HDMI port. The fast hybrid autofocus system, featuring 759 phase detection points, ensures rapid and precise focusing, even in challenging shooting conditions. The camera's design emphasizes user comfort and durability. It boasts a 9.44 million dot electronic viewfinder with 0.90x magnification, providing a clear and detailed view for composition. The 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen, with approximately 1,440,000 dots, offers flexibility in framing shots from various angles. Additionally, the 5-axis in-body image stabilization compensates for camera shake, delivering sharp images and smooth video footage. Storage and connectivity are well addressed with dual card slots that support both SD UHS 2 and CF Express Type A cards, catering to high-speed data writing needs. The camera also features built-in Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, and Bluetooth for seamless file transfers and remote control functionality. As of now, the Sony Alpha 7S III is priced at approximately $3,198 for the body only. This investment reflects its advanced features and performance capabilities, making it a valuable asset for professionals and enthusiasts alike.